Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use multiple Apple IDs on same iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you want to use multiple Apple IDs in your single iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So there's a two way to use multiple Apple IDs. So the very first way is that you have to use one ID on your iPhone's main profile, or you can use second ID for only for your App Store or any of your app. It might be your App Store, your Apple TV, or your Apple Music, in which app you want to log in. Or the second way, you can use two IDs, or you can switch in between your IDs on your whole iPhone. So let's see. Very first, you just have to open your Settings app, then tap on your Apple ID, and here you'll see the option of media and app purchased. Select that, and then select Sign Out. So it will sign out your Apple ID from your app store. So once you have signed out, you can easily tap on your profile option in the top right, and then tap on this sign in with an Apple ID. Now from here you have to select the second option, and here you can easily add another Apple ID in your app store. Or you have the second way, you just have to open your settings app, and here you have to try to log out or sign out this Apple ID from your iPhone. Once you have signed out this one, you can easily sign in any else Apple ID on your iPhone. So simply tap on the sign out option and then tap on the sign out but don't erase iPhone, then tap on continue, and here tap on continue again, then tap on continue, and your Apple ID will be signed out. And after signing out your Apple ID, you can easily log in any Apple ID on your iPhone. So you can use dual or multiple Apple IDs on the same iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.